Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the wallpaper in Google Chrome. Personalizing your browsing experience is a great way to make Chrome feel more like your own. In this guide, we'll show you the simple steps to change your Chrome wallpaper. Let's get started! Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of changing the wallpaper in Google Chrome. Follow these simple steps to customize your browsing experience. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and navigate to a new tab. Ensure that you have a blank tab open. Step 2. Look for the Customize this page option, which is represented by a pen icon in the bottom right corner of the new tab page. Click on it to access the customization settings. Step 3. Once you've clicked on the pen icon, a menu will appear. Click on the Change Theme option. This will open the Chrome Web Store, where you can find various themes and wallpapers. Step 4. In the Chrome Web Store, click on the Upload an Image button. This will allow you to choose a custom image from your computer. Step 5. Browse your computer and select the desired image you want to set as your Chrome wallpaper. You can choose from your personal collection or download an image from the internet. Step 6. After selecting the image, click on the Open button. Chrome will now set the chosen image as your new wallpaper. And that's it. You have successfully changed the wallpaper in Google Chrome. Enjoy your personalized browsing experience. Congratulations on personalizing your Chrome browser with a new wallpaper. By following these easy steps, you can customize your browsing experience to reflect your style and preferences. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Enjoy your new Chrome wallpaper, and we'll see you in the next video.